There is no one method that can be considered the fastest, easiest, safest, and most lucrative method ever proven, as it largely depends on an individual's goals, skills, and circumstances. However, there are some general principles that can be applied to increase the likelihood of success in any endeavor. Focus on developing a valuable skill. Whether you want to start a business or pursue a career, having a valuable skill will always give you an edge. Identify the skills that are in high demand and work on developing them. Be persistent and consistent. Success rarely comes overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and consistency to achieve your goals. Keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Take calculated risks. While it's important to be cautious, taking calculated risks can help you achieve greater rewards. Evaluate the potential risks and benefits of any decision before taking action. Seek knowledge and mentorship. Learning from others who have already achieved what you want to achieve can be invaluable. Seek out mentors and continue to learn as much as you can. Stay open to opportunities. Sometimes the best opportunities come from unexpected places. Keep an open mind and be willing to try new things. Remember, there is no single formula for success. It's important to be adaptable, learn from failures, and continue to grow and develop.